Good morning, guys. Good morning. BSFC. How'd you guys do? What's on the watch list? BSFC is popping. Interesting volume out of nowhere. Put the mic higher. Yeah, something like that. So BSFC, SVFG. SVFG. BSFC. What's up, Marcella? Good morning. Red to the moon, red to the moon. I need to make a song. So BSFC, SVFG. Interesting. Okay, BSFC, did they have news? So BSFC has news that top pre-market trade side pre-market closing on Thursday. Other food related issues also trading higher. Yeah, what? Okay. Okay. Link to SVFC. So BSFC 13/20th. Today is the 21st. So it was halted yesterday on circuit breaker. Okay. So Bunman said it right. Emotional conditioning and potential liquidity issues that you could have as a real account. So he's talking about difference between demo and real. And I've been an advocate of that, and those 2 points are exactly right. These are the 2 main points. There are other points too. I think demo, personally demo, the way I use demo is I set up a layout, I test different orders, different like keyboard hotkeys, like that's what demo is for me for. Like get a hang of it. For example, I traded demo when I started dabbling with options to understand what options are, because like, you know, like I'm sure everybody else were the same. You know, how do you buy a put, and that's when the stock is actually, you make money when the stock is going down. So you had to kind of test that concept, right? And that's when you go and buy a put on demo, you know. And I feel like that's what the demos should be. They should never be like a sign of your success in terms of P&L. No emotional attachment or anything. Firefighter, where you been, man? I missed you. Did you do okay yesterday? Hopefully not too bad. So I'm noticing a pattern here, right? Like, by the way, let me finish the watch list. It doesn't look like there's anything else. Oh, yeah. So these two stocks I don't. So let's watch SoFi. Let's watch SoFi too. BBIG for sure. Let's watch that. Let's put BBIG here because I feel like BBIG, DWAC for sure. DWAC for sure. BFRI, just for the sake of it. There's no volume in it, but it might pop. I'm gonna watch Tesla just for my sake. Nothing. Of course, I have SPY in that corner. We'll see how SPY is doing. I probably need a 5-minute SPY, not a 1-minute SPY. But anyway, so what else? What else did we trade yesterday? BKKT maybe? I don't know. SOPA, APRN from yesterday. But of course, main watch would be the BSFC. So SoFi. If we're gonna get this, okay, let's see the levels on SoFi. So pullback level is around here. So that's where I would probably start to do a starter if it sells off. And then of course you have the high break of high here, and I don't know if this makes sense, but let's do this. It looks like it touched 3 times, so it might be a good area and level. So these are my levels for SOFI, and of course watch the VWAP. Probably let me add these to my watch list. Let me start trade ideas. Since nothing's moving, let's watch for something's popping. Okay, why did you just do that? Okay, so I'm gonna be watching this market open. Let's see if I have it set up properly. B mode, group and sort. Yeah, Okay. BBAG. BBAG. And so far, I'm not expecting a lot of movement. Actually, yesterday, I actually went to bed late and I was dabbling with I was watching everybody trading, and I was actually studying about order types. So maybe we can do a live session, or maybe I can do recording, because I feel like my YouTube channel grows better if I do like a lot of how-tos. And I think eventually I'll migrate to Twitch for live streams, and then I'll stick to how-to videos on YouTube. That's probably going to be eventually what's going to happen. I don't know yet. I don't want to plan. It depends how YouTube grows. But anyway, I was dabbling with like options and stuff, and I was watching people trade options, and actually I was looking at order types too. And I don't know, it's getting complicated. I definitely learning a lot of new things. So if you're also interested to learn new things, stick around. Maybe if you also have questions of what would you like to see, let me know as far as order types. But I'm definitely going to like do a how-to on what I've done, what kind of order types I studied. And I have my hypothesis why they're important, but again, that's a proof of concept. POC, right? He's down. Wasn't he 37? I see 39, right? Yeah, he's 39.6. I was looking. I actually missed him trade it. But I as soon as I saw his stickers, I assumed that he jumped on here. I would like to see how he handled. Did he scale in a lot? Because I think he probably that's what I didn't watch him, but that's my assumption. He scaled in, and let me put that ticker up. He scaled in right here, right? So BSFC. Wonder if he's gonna FOMO in. But then can flush too. Look at BSFC. So SFC, like that's what I'm assuming. He took that. Did he ever, like if he missed it, he FOMO'd in, and he probably waited for a bounce of the BWAP, and it didn't happen. It just flushed. And the problem with this stock, it doesn't move 5-10 cents. It moves 60 to, yeah, that's a 70-cent drop in 1 minute on a $5 stock. So that's actually good to know, just an FYI. What is the spread on it? 7 cents. Yeah, exactly. So it's gonna be an interesting stock, especially when it proves that it's not holding and those false breakout. Unless he took that, yeah, he probably took the 89 break, the 90 into the 6. Well, you guys know it's definitely not a looking good setup, especially when it didn't hold in the false breakout. But I don't know why this is 1 second. Oh my goodness, I don't know why I have 1 second charts. Because it's saved. It saved my charting at 1 second, guys. Sorry, I have to do this. I have to change them all now to 15 seconds. I don't want to close them all. Jesus, that's one thing I don't like about TradingView. I think he feels like he's gonna trade it. I feel like he's upset that he is down. I'm looking BSFC. Look for a volume on level 2. I almost feel like he's gonna trade 650 break. But I'm not trading it. But I'm definitely watching. Let's look at the ranges it's given us. It's a decent range. So, and okay, 5 cent spread. It's a little high on the spread. So 1640, but it's a good, it can give you a good 12-cent move, minus 5 cents, so 7-cent gains. But the losses is 5 cents plus whatever the flushes are. So let's look at the flushes. So this would be the flush I would have got in 597, 580. So 17-cent flush. I don't know. Now we everything in at the mercy of TOS for this, because of the way I execute orders. So TOS is basically, if it's going to be nice to me today and it's going to give me good fills on it, then great. But if it's not, let me jump in and say hi to RT. Not a lot of people are doing live videos. I just did my roundabout. So definitely watch out for today, guys. Definitely watch out. Probably a small share day for me. I'm gonna watch. I don't like SVFD. I don't know. I just don't like it. I don't know. Maybe I'll watch it if it's gonna pop, but I just don't like it. Alright, BSFC on my watch list. Very small share size, guys. For me, very small share size. Bondman's P&L is not looking good. Just the whole volume's not looking good. This week's not looking good. Why would you risk it, right? Maybe there's people out there that's like, well, why not? Because people like me not gonna risk it, and it's gonna move, and we're gonna miss out. I don't know. There's both ways of that scenario, right? Look at that. Look at that down candle on SoFi. So what are the levels? I mean, look at this. 1120. So this one level, then there's this one level. So I feel like 825 is going to be high. But keep an eye on this. And let's watch the halt level from the start. So we're gonna watch the halt level. We're gonna watch the halt level from the start. All right, less than a minute to go. So 655, I'm not gonna take that jump. That initial jump, I'm not gonna take it. I'm not gonna jump that. But where's the pullback? The pullback area is around here. This is gonna be pullback. Because if it breaks that pullback, alright guys, let's watch it. Alright, 20 seconds. So 650, let's watch that. 43, 650. Alright, I see buying right now. There it goes. Halt is 754. There you go. See. So I didn't take it. With light speed you could have taken it, and that would be your one and done today. And it's okay. That's okay. We're gonna get to that level. Listen, if eventually the halt down is 515, if eventually we get to a point where we just trade stock like this once a month and take 10,000 shares for the break of, so the entry was at 37 there, easy, 36, 38. So if you could have gotten 36 through 38 and you fill, you're up at 75 was the exit. So 30-40 cents with 10,000 shares, you're done. Just go home. So BBIG is also moving, guys. I was so zoned in on this Tesla popped, SoFi sold off, BFRI. What's moving? I want to see a potentially red to green on BSFC. I feel like it's still a strong stock, and now let's watch if it's gonna hold at 560 area. So watch it. Watch 560 to hold, to break into that 686. What are we? SFVD is, wow, red to green. SFVD, red to green on BSFC coming up. Let's watch that bounce. DWAC is also popping, which is good. Okay, let's watch the pullback. Let's see what it's gonna do here. Small share size, guys, very small share size. So here's your chance for a pullback, right? For a chance to sell off. I'm in here. I'm in at 25. Okay, see, there you go. I'm in here. I want to see the bounce. I don't want it to go again low. 593, 580. I don't want it to go lower than that, but the 1 minute candle is not looking good. So 93 was entry, 95 was an exit. And that's exactly what I didn't want to do. You guys not seeing my P&L, don't you? Alright, that's the P&L. So SFVD, it's a scary stock for me. 75 shares as well. SFVD. We have this level here, SFVD 34, it would be the high bounce. Let's see a pullback. I'm in here. I'm in it. Wait, that's wrong. Never mind. I don't even have. Wait, why is it $9? I have a wrong stock set up. Wow. SVFD. That's the stock I needed to trade. Well. Fumbling with skis. BBIG still moving. BSFC still looking good. Maybe setting up for potential red to green here. Watch that. Watch for pullback. Holding. I'm in. I'm in at 13. I want it to pop over. No, it's not popping over 13. I'm in. It's not holding, guys. Sell. 17. What is popping? SFVD. Yeah, SFVD popping. So watch this here. 37. 10 seconds until the candle is gonna go. What are the levels here? 66 and 80. So this is a 45. So break of 50. There it goes. I'm in. I'm in at 41. I want to see that break of 50 again, and I want it to shoot over the highs for the day. 41 is my entry. There it goes. That's okay. Nothing to write home about. 57. So 60. My exit was 53. Break of high here. Break of high. 650. Watch 60. What else is popping? BRFH. BRFH. Nah, this is not looking good. Okay, so I don't know. It's still kind of holding this, right? So let's watch this. Let's watch break and upside. Let's watch the 35 and 60 area. And it's definitely watch out though. What the hell did I trade? I traded some SFVC. SFVC. Why did I trade SFVC? Or was it, which one was that? SVFC. That's what I traded. All these stocks. Holy guacamole. I was the only guy that took that 75 shares in that stock. BBIG. BBIG flat top at 85. There it goes. 86. I still like BSFC. I don't know why I shifted away from it. 39. 34. Pullback. I'm in. Out. I'm in. I'm in at 16. I want to see that pop over 30. There it goes. All right. Let's watch that. I'm in. I'm out. Okay, 45. I'm in. It's strong. I'm in more. Let's go. Let's go. Out. No. $38, $34. I'm in. I want it to go over 40. No, I'm out. So the spreads are getting to a point where they're... Look at that wedge break, guys. Watch for it to pop. I'm in. I'm in more. No. Watch. I'm in. I'm in at 28. No. Let's see if it's gonna pull back. It's pulling back. I'm in. I'm in at 28. I wanted to see pop and over. I'm in more here. That's exactly what I was looking for, but with a larger share size and better execution. So I didn't get filled at 40, but watch that 45, 50, 60 break. I'm in. I'm out. I feel like these are like a little... I'm missing it. I'm missing it. I'm in here. Out. I'm in. How far will it go? It's not going too far. I'm in. Nope. 39. Out. Why is it not happening? 50. I'm in. Out. I'm in. I'm in at 35. I want it to break 40. Out. Pretty much just sitting on one spot here was these 75 teeny little shares. SFVD flat top breakout at 532. SVFD. So I'm fumbling. I can't even freaking type today, guys. SVFD. There you go. Let's watch this. 45. When are we coming up on that 5-minute candle? I'm in here. I want to see. Nope. Out. $7 out. It's like I'm in. I'm in at 15. Are we gonna bounce here? I want to see bounce over 40. Okay, I'm selling here. But SVFD was looking good at 532. Watch this. Watch 40. Pull back. Pull back. I'm in again. Out. Let's increase to 125 shares. But this is very hard to trust right now. 45 into the 50. So watch 45. SVFD, man. These are beautiful, beautiful setup. I don't trust it, but it's beautiful. Watch sympathy on that BSFC. Nope. Never mind. 75 shares on it. It's halted at 79. It's getting halted. Is it gonna get halted? Yep. Halt. Watch sympathy on BSFC. I'm in. I'm watching for sympathy to go over 50 on SFC into the halt. I'm in. I'm out. I'm in. I'm out. I'm in. I'm in at 24. Let's see it pop over 50. That's what I'm hoping. No. It's just not doing that whole over 50 type of moves. I'm in. No. I just don't. I can't get a hang of this, and why is it not breaking that flat top at 45 into the 50 when SVFD just went? So it's gonna go, and I'm gonna miss it, of course, but you know, 40 seconds, 15 seconds, so a minute to 5 minute setup. Let's watch this level here. 10 seconds. Are we gonna pop here? That's the thing. You don't know when volume comes in, and you want to jump that train when you see volume coming in. You know. 23, 20. It holds 20. I'm in here. No. I'm watching. I'm in here. I see volume. I'm in at 18, so I'm gonna wait and see if it's gonna pop through that. There's 25. There's 29. Okay. I'm in here again. 27, no. It's like, you know, I'm in at 26. Nah, that's a bad entry. I don't know why I'm so tunneling right now this stock, but the problem was that stock. So 27 is the entry. Let's see if it's going to flush. Okay. I'm in here. I want to see it support that 30. I'm in at 28. No. $35. It's so weak. And I'm increasing share size. It's one of those days. You know that Limp Bizkit song? It's one of those days. That's like back from my high school times. When I said it's one of those days, that's what kind of popped in my head. He says. 25. Still watching 25. I just don't get it. Like it's like a suspense. You know, I'm watching it and now my 5-minute looks ridiculous. And it's gonna go. Just watch it go. I'm gonna lower share size. Resumption. When did it halt? Hmm. 15 seconds to resumption. Let's watch. $5.89. So I'm in. No, I'm out. Whoa. I'm in at 550. Are we gonna pop? We're popping. Are we gonna pop higher? 54 is the entry. No. It's like, what the hell? 503, 504. That pullback area is good. I'm in here again. No. 25. Look at this. This is a bad market today. This is definitely a bad market to trade in. What is going on? No volume on BBIG, right? But that ABCD kind of setup, it's not looking bad. I'm actually glad I took small share size on this SVFD. BSFC. And I know you guys, you see the pattern, right? On BSFC, I was fishing for that break. I was fishing for this right here. I was fishing. I was fishing for this break. And on a hot day, it would have done it a long time ago. If it's too hot of a day, it might have done it without me because I wouldn't be that fast. So 75 on here. Let's watch volume maybe popping. 75, 55. I'm in at 74 and I'm out. Okay. Are we gonna continue? I'm in. There it goes. I want to see 80. I mean, these are very tiny base hits, but at least they're predictable. At least you can read them, you know. And I guess there's a compromise. The predictability and readability equals less gain, right? And then unpredictability and unreadability equals bigger gains. Firefighter, what'd you take? You took 620 to 670. So wait, I took it in, out. Don't trust the potential. Yeah, I agree. The potential is high on it. So this is a micro bounce area, micro resistance here. I feel like maybe here. Yep, right there. I see. So let's watch it pop. I feel like it's going to be very similar to yesterday. It's going to be, so there are a couple scenarios, right? And that's what we got to watch out for. And I think I have to get off at 10. You know, it might just do this whole range thing, and I know it's Friday, so we might not get that power out there, but sometimes we do. So just keep an eye on it. It's an active stock. I can see it. It's being actively traded. You know, nothing else is so active. And you know, just keep an eye on it, because usually active stocks have a tendency to have that volume burst for a couple minutes. And you know, so here's the dilemma, not dilemma, but the decision that you got to make. Is it worth for you to spend 8 hours or 4 hours sitting in front of the computer and like staring at it to happen? Because there's a high chance that you can miss it. And I missed a lot of trades like that. You know, you walk away, go to use the restroom, or you go for lunch, to make a lunch, even like in the kitchen for 5 minutes. You come back and that thing's already on a backside after that 3-minute volume push. But it was really good, like meaning you could have capitalized decent on it. Let's see, I traded. So this stupid loss on SVFC, I don't know why, but I guess they both are like that out of halt. I was actually looking at level 2 SF on my different platform for SVFD for the halt resume. I mean, look for that resistance 589, 590 to break into that VWAP 620 pop. I don't think it will happen, but just keep an eye on it. Why not? You know. So 690, 689, 680. You see, the technicals say, hey, it's going to bounce back and it's going to go down. Yeah, it most likely happen. But the money is where it doesn't happen. Like, see that that 1 minute setup here coming up at 80. Why not take it? Because if it doesn't happen, a lot of people will be bailing. 76, 74. I'm in here. I want to see that 75 break. I'm in at 71. No, I'm out. I'm in again. I want to see that 71 break. I'm in at 69. No. I'm in at 64. And I want the bids. I want to see bids move up. I just don't see bids moving up for some reason. I mean, now I saw the bids move up, but it's just not there. All right, let's keep an eye on this. So 73, 75. So that curl didn't happen. So SVFD, that flat top break, but the first one was fake, so he got a couple people. Don't trust the second one. SoFi. Yeah, I don't know. Even Tesla is not. Tesla is doing the whole sell-off bounce of a VWAP. So watch 70. BON. Good call on BON, whoever traded it. I hear RT's trading BON. So that's not bad. That was a good call on it. Quick too. I don't know. Should we try SVFD? And I don't think I ever gonna get the stock right. $41. Will we pop to 50? What? Where did I get out? What? 43? Yeah. These are tough. It's like you lose on the halt 20 cents, 50 cents. Look at these false breakouts. What do you do in days like this? Do you just sit and drink coffee? sell-offs. So 957.35. That's 10:03.35 or 10:02.35. Might have to be on mute for a bit. Resumption on bond. $420 resumption. There's a pullback. So the hold did not hold. Nothing's holding, guys. I don't know why I traded SVFT out of halt. But you know, I was hoping for that pop back up. Watch that 407 on bond. Let's watch 407 on bond, just for the sake of it. 30 seconds. I'm in here. Let's see. Let's see if we're gonna pop 407. No, we're not popping, but let's watch. 403, 401. I'm in at 403. But if we pop over, just hold it. 403. Selling off on any red. There it goes. It might go. Alright. $1.50. I was hoping it's gonna pop. BBIG is like still holding 406, so if 403 was a decent average for me, so now see 408, 409 on break of that VWAP at 410. There's definitely buying going on here. What a dead market. Even 10 o'clock moves are not there. What are you guys watching? You guys watching anything else I'm watching? ABCD setup on bond. I don't know. Will it pop over VWAP again on volume? I mean, who knows? But I'm watching. I'm not saying it'll happen, but I'm watching. So FI also might be like a turnaround spot because we got a lower low. I mean higher low. Excuse me. Here's a little popping. He's popping on bond, so we gotta break that 10. We gotta break that 10. So 8 and 10 is next. Right now 6 is holding. Alright, still holding, right? The 406. Are we gonna pop over 10? There it goes. There's C volume. I see volume. 25 seconds. We're gonna go. Seller at 6. Someone's getting some shares out. Someone's getting the shares out. BBIG bottom bounce. Are you scaling in? Jeff, are you scaling in? Like probably average, like first break of 365, then 355. So 9, 10 still, but no volume. What else? BON. Anything else halted? Oh, good. No scaling in. Just no trade. Nice. Good attitude. SVFD, that was a bummer. I mean, I should have known better, because I mean, look, it did this right here, you know, where bondmen lost money. So why lose more money, right? It's right at that spot, but if without, you know, like he's saying, if it moved, he would have moved and he would have been up 40 grand. So, you know, it goes both ways. As long as you have more of the up days than downs, then you should be good to go. Plus, if you have a chat with 5,000 subscribers or paying $200 a month for it, I think you should be good too, right? I wonder if you can write off the losses on the gains from subscribers. So if he makes like $1 million a month, let's say, from subs, and he loses 100K in trading, did he only make 900K that month? Like, how does it work? SoFi, break of that reversal curl area at 98. I don't know. I just don't know. I'm just here sitting and, you know, 98. No volume though. But it's okay. It might break. $93. Jeff, I don't believe I've seen this market this dead. I think yesterday was even better. Yesterday 10 a.m. was better. Today, so I think BSFC I had high hopes for, and I had the high hopes of break that 650 on BSFC, but it doesn't happen. Didn't happen. Marcelo did good. Did you see his scalping? 531.34, 37.40, 38.41 on BSFC. Interesting. So he's been scalping that bottom support. Maybe another bottom bounce here on BSFC. 26. Look at that. It was a 530 on the ask and 521 on the bid. So 9 cents spread. No, dude, I'm not watching cartoons. Or maybe I am. Maybe I am. Maybe that's my what you call it? That's my secret. Like, would you guess which cartoon I'm watching? So since you already got me, guess which cartoon I'm watching. I mean, there's nothing else to watch. Look, the stock market is dead. No, I'm actually I'm reading what Marcel is reading. Writing. Bugs Bunny. Come on, man. You can do better than that. Do you see my shirt? Or is it hard to see? SoFi, guys. SoFi. SoFi for maybe SoFi. Keep an eye. 95, 14, 7. I'm in here. I'm in at 93. Nope. I'm in here. I'm in at 89. I want to see it bounce here. No. I like that volume. The 95. That's what I was waiting for. I'm in at 91. 88. And 93 again. It reminds me yesterday was SoFi. I'm in at 92. Is it gonna bounce off that trend line or is it gonna break it? That's what it's gonna go down. There's a seller. I'm in. No. I'm in. I want to see that 95 break. I'm at 93. Alright, watch. There's a seller. There's a seller. I'm gonna try again here. I'm in at 93. I want to see that 95, 14 break. It's a lot of buyers right now. So watch 97. Watch that 14 and 97. There's a lot of sellers though. There's a hidden sellers, but they busted through that one. So let's keep an eye. I'm still watching that 14. Tesla's popping. So I see SPY is at VWAP, so if SPY continues up, we might see a little bit more confidence in some of those moves. So BON, I'm still keeping an eye on BON. There it goes, 97. Let's watch 14 here. We have 35 seconds until 5 minutes set up. It might go before that. It's gonna go. I wanna see this 95 at 58. I'm in. No. There's a selling. There's buying going on here, right here. Am I in? I'm in 93. I want to see that 99. So 14 is gonna bounce back. It's holding 99, so I'm in. How do you trade with Thinkorswim? Did you guys see? I don't know if you hear the button when I click, but I'm out at 1404 and the high is 1410. So BBOS, somebody's calling out BBOS, I hear. Okay. BBOS, guys. But BBOS didn't it not work out yesterday? Not yesterday, this week. $68 BBOS though, 61. So watch that. SoFi is continuing, which is nice, but the VWAP bond is moving, guys. That 410 on bond. So I told you SPY moved up and freaking everything just start moving. Bond might, I don't know, bond might be better. The bounce of the VWAP on bond. So bond, keep an eye on bond. Small share size on bond, just to see. 16 on bond. Let's see. I'm in here on bond. Let's see. I'm in at 09. Anyway, it took like 5 minutes to get filled. I might have to reboot, guys. All right, let me try to get in again. Yeah, look at this. It's just the order's just hanging there. It's hanging there. And I can't even do anything to this order. See, working order just now, can it? So 10 is a high. I'm gonna reboot. I'm gonna reboot TOS. So guys, I'm gonna pause. So I'm back, but I haven't tested execution yet or anything. For some reason my chart is not showing up. Like sometimes it just doesn't pop for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe it'll pop. Sometimes it'll just take a second for it to pop and show up. But okay, look at the turnaround on BBIG. So that bounce, but it's still so low. Bond, I don't know. Oh, there you go. It popped. Yeah, all of a sudden it starts working. I don't know why it does that. So watch a curl on bond. See how it's false breakout on the BWAP on the downside? So watch that 410 on bond again. But it's actually going to be a good test for me because you remember that execution sucked on bond. And we have 1 minute till 5 minutes setup, but there's no 5 minute setup because we're just not there yet. But just watch this 410. There's a 2-cent spread on it, which is kind of high. Not a lot of buyers, but I'm in here. Okay, I probably misread that. The entry is 8, so there it goes. Actually, this is not the instant. Right now, it's the instant executions on TOS. That was kind of upsetting that it was taking 15 seconds to fill 75 shares. Be right back, gotta use the restroom. Alright, so I did, oh man, bond. Nice setup on bond. 410 break, right? I just did the whole cold water face splash. Bond is moving up. So as SoFi as well. Look for the flat top on SoFi at 1422, and then Bondman is a good. Bondman is nice, 411. So 425 is the 5-minute bar play. Look at this. So my fill 408. Dude, Bond, look guys, Bond. 16, it's breaking. Let's see a pullback of short sellers coming in over that 25. Nope. There's sellers for sure. But it's holding. 22. I'm in. Oh wow. 24, I'm in. 23, never mind. Okay, now it took me a long time to get filled. I'm in now. I'm in at 25. Are we gonna go or no? No, not taking a chance for going. 24, good fill on the TOS because the bid was 21. But that's also tell you that it's strong, meaning there are actually more buyers than there are sellers. There you go, see? And my entry was at 25. And I'm out at 29. So it still fills you at the entry you clicked at. It's just the feedback you get. But I'm out at 29, so it's not. I just don't want to trade with large shares considering the fills have been so bad. Hey Delacroix, I did not see. I have a VVOS pulled up, but it's actually not looking bad, right? Are you trading VVOS? Let's see VVOS. 63.65. That's a break of high, right? VVOS. Wasn't it Bunman who VVOS 260 61? It's not a larger mover. So meaning if you're between the spreads, you might not get that pop because look, even the 5-minute setup was 63.65. Very weak. Bond on the other hand is continue setting up a bull flag on the 1 minute. So watch Bondman here over Bondman. Watch Bond over 40. So the high on Bond is the halt at 54, right? So halt is 466. Are we gonna get pullback on Bond here? There it goes. That was a pullback. So I think that was a good pullback entry, guys, at 28. But now it's back to 28. But if you were scalping it, you probably would have been out at 32, 31, 3-4 cents. So 35 and 40 are the 5-minute. No, Clive, you're not trading anymore. 9 to 5. Seriously, man? Well, you know, you got to do what you got to do, man. Appreciate you for all the thumbs up and the live stream join. So hopefully you'll be back, man. It was definitely nice to have you. 25, 27. So bond, will it pull back again? Or is it gonna break that 27? I don't know why I'm on VBOS. The spread on bond, it's just annoying. Hey Clive, you gotta do what you gotta do, man. Thanks for joining, like I said, and definitely looking forward for your support and everything. Stay tuned. Like, hopefully you stick around at least in the evenings after your 9 to 5. Keep watching the videos. Hopefully you'll be back. 5 minutes set up at 35 on bond. So let's watch for a push here. 1 minute and 40 seconds. So I'm in here. I'm gonna see if it's gonna bounce. I'm seeing buyers. That's why I'm in at 34. 33, no. It's very so SoFi is doing what it's doing. So let's watch SoFi. 20. I'm in. I'm out. It's not breaking that 19. I'm in. I'm in at 19. I want to see 20 break. There's the 20 break. I'm out. It's gonna bounce. No, it didn't bounce. Look at this. So watch for the pullback. There's a pullback. More pullback. No, I'm in. 20. I'm in. I want to see bids move up. Bids are not moving up, guys. Bond is breaking that 37, guys. This is really nice 22 break on SoFi. It's either SoFi or bond. Pick your battle, guys. But bond is I don't know. So keep watching that 22 break. There it goes. There it goes. 25. That 27. So SoFi was the stock to scalp. So bond is 37, 36. What is popping? Bond is popping. Cinex, Tesla. I mean, VBOS sold off. Bondman is still selling off. Bond. I keep doing this. It's hilarious. SoFi, I don't know. It could be strong. It's not giving us a good pullbacks or anything. So 27, 30. I don't like the fills on TOS. They're definitely longer than, so like they were good on for a bit, but then they're kind of start to lag again. So bounce of a VWAP on SoFi, maybe a like a good entry on the bounce here. So watch bond. There's 102. There's a 51, 52. There is a break. No. 38. I'm seeing sell off right now. I'm in. Are we gonna continue sell off? I'm in at 35. I want to see 40 on the bid, and I'm not seeing 40 on the bid. This is annoying. No. There's a pullback. I'm in. I'm in at 29. And I'm out at 23, even though there was a 30 micro pullback. Why did I get in 29 when it was 17? Yeah, I hate this. You know, guys, I already made I made 77 orders. And I'm pretty much $9. SPY broke VWAP bounce of a VWAP. SPY is strong, so Tesla's going to be strong. Nothing else is moving. This is ridiculous. I'm really disappointed in today's moves. Really disappointed. Keep making BVOS 1%. That's nice, man. I don't see setups there for me. SoFi. I just missed SoFi by staring at my freaking phone. 31.33 SoFi. I'm in. I want to see if it's going to bounce here, guys, over 30. I'm in at 29. Nope. I'm in now again. Nope. A little more pullback to the 22. I'm in. I'm in the 24. Yeah. 30. So let's watch this pullback. I'm gonna get in here for... No, it's pulling back. So let's watch that 30. The market is shit, guys, today. There's no other words for it. This is the worst time to try to gain followers on YouTube for stock market. The best time was this past summer. last year. The whole last year and the year before was the best time to start a YouTube channel on day trading. Could probably get 11,000 subs or 4,000 subs in a year, which is really difficult to do with not an entertaining content like this channel. All right, let's see if that's gonna break 30. 28. I'm in here. I want to see. I'm in at 29. I want to see break of 30. There it goes. That was a 30 break. You buying on the Ask on VVOS? Which broker, Delacroix, are you using? So 33 on SoFi. I'm in. I want to see this 33 break. There it goes. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. So, Delacroix, which broker are you doing TOS? Which one are you buying on that wait, you buying on the bid, I assume, right? Unless you're shorting it. So VBOS, 1 cent spread. It's 4 million volume. There's not a lot of movement, so I don't know, man. I don't know, man. It's BSFC sold off, and now it's like trying to bounce. SoFi. All right. Look at this. 34. $35. So 34. So let's watch 34. 5 minutes setup, guys, at 34 on volume here. I don't know. It's holding 30. Not yet. Not yet. Maybe a pullback opportunity here. 41. I'm in, guys, here. I'm gonna test. I'm gonna test here. I'm in at 29. Nope. So keep watching. Keep watching this. I'm in. I'm in at 30. No, I'm out. Out of 27, which is not bad. 26 was the bid. So now 30, just watch 30. I'm fishing for that break of 34, 35. 34, 35. BSFC sold off. Maybe bounce off of here. SoFi, if it's strong. If it's not, then sit on your hands again. Look at that SoFi being bought out. It's like it's going from the low what, 16 to 30. It's crazy. It's been bought out, so people are buying it. So let's watch for the pullback here. There's no pullback, so let's see if there's buying going on. No, never mind. So let's see if it's gonna go through 34 or 35 here, because there's a lot of buying going on. I'm in at 31, so I want to see that 32 break. I'm in again. So I'm in at 31.4. So I want to see that 35.40. So 35 still strong. The way it got bought up off of that VWAP, that's a strong sign. That means there are people who are willing to buy right now. So keep a watch on this. I don't know. SoFi still might be moving, but I don't know. It's definitely nothing crazy. Bond is also setting up. Look at that ascending or diagonal resistance on the 1 minute. Watch this 34. There's break. Let's see if it's gonna flush. It's flushing. I want to get in on this. Nope, I'm out. Dang it. I want to get in on this right now. I want to get in on this 35. Out. I like this. I was in at 29 out of 34. I should have waited. I saw that bounce, but I missed it. Let's continue watching that bounce over 40. I think it's gonna pop over 40 if it's strong. No, it's not. Get out. I'm in. I'm in over. Nope. I'm out. I'm in. Nope. Okay, watch. Watch. Watch over break of 40 here. I'm in. There's a selling going on. I'm in 35. Nope, selling. I'm out. Keep watching that 37, 36. There's a buyers at 36. Are they going to push it higher? 35. Nope. I'm in here. Let's see if they're going to push it. Let's see if they're going to push it over 40. More buying? Nope. Let's watch it. There's buying going on, guys. Watch it. 36. No, selling. Out. Okay. Watch it. Watch that 38. I want to see 40 break. I want to see that 40 break. I'm in. RF, it's $22 stock. What is the float on RF? Man, it's almost 1 billion share float. I'm not touching it. So SoFi broke that 40 that we traded into the 47. So 50 is the next level. You see the flat top on BON at 25? Watch that too. The spread on bond is kind of high. Watch this, 5 cents coming up at 25. Watch for volume pop on bond. BBIG is over VWAP right now. VVOS popped. All right, watch 50. Watch for that 47. I don't know because it's extended. It needs to pull back, but it did bounce over VWAP, so I don't know. It might go. It's a tough situation. There's 20,000 share flare. So 47, 48. Look at Bond. Bond is done right now. So 392. VVOS is popping on a little volume here, so just keep an eye on it. Just VVOS, it's gonna be like a 1 or 2 cent movers. The good thing is spread. So 44, 45. Watch here on SoFi, but also watch for sell-off because it's a sketchy area. Sketchy area. You know, like right now. See, it's a sketchy area, so it's gonna continue. Then the VVOS. I don't know, VBOS, what is the potential? 69 to 50. That's a 5 minutes. Like there's a 10 cent move in what, a half an hour potential. That's nothing. That's why I just don't like. That's why. But SoFi is still being bought up. Look at this. They're buying SoFi. Let's see if they're gonna buy it off again. Or for 45. I mean, through 45. BBIG might pop here over 51. It's definitely better than VVOS. But what's the BBIG spread? 1 cent. So BBIG, I feel like BBIG would be, for me, better than VVOS for scalping. Look at SoFi. SoFi is so strong, guys. At 47. I'm in here. I'm in at 46. I want to see 50. I want to see 50 break, guys. As long as there's no sell-off. Let's go. Nope. There's a bunch of sellers. Definitely a bunch of sellers. The fill was good at 46. 49. 48, 46. I'm in here. I'm in at 47. Let's see if 50 is gonna go this time around. 47. I want to see 50, guys. If it's strong, I want to see 50. One more push. No. Selling off here. Tough area, guys. Watch out for SoFi. But 50 is strong. We might get like 54, 55 on that break. And then just scalping it out because that thing is going to be weak up on above 50. Okay, 9 seconds until next 1 minute. So that's a potential setup on the 1 minute, right? I'm in here. Let's see if 1 minute's gonna give us red or green volume. There's green volume on 1 minute. Are we gonna break on that 1 minute? No, we're not. Out. Continue watching. The 1 minute is very early in the day. I'm in. Nope. Out. Oh, that's right. Thanks for reminding me, Delacroix. Peloton might be, even though look at that sell-off. So that sell-off didn't even break 50. I was actually hoping SoFi would break 50 into that 55, 54, and then do this and do this sell-off until like 1430, or maybe even 1420 to VWAP. BBIG, see, that's why I told you I like BBIG better than BBOS in terms of 1 cent scalps. Peloton. Do you guys want me to try to scalp Peloton? 286 million share float. What is the Peloton spread? Peloton spread is 2 cents. Let's watch. 1 cent. That's a decent spread on Peloton. 92.90. I'm just trying to figure out how it moves. 80. 89. 90. There goes volume. Okay. 95. 96. Alright, maybe Peloton. BBIG, guys, did you scalp that? Also, look for SoFi. SoFi is crazy. There it goes. There goes 50 on SoFi. 40. I'm trying 50 here, guys. I'm trying 50. 26,000 share seller? Nope. I'm still trying. I want to try. There he goes. That's what I was waiting for. So that's it. I'm gonna wait until it goes through to 60 or something, then pulls back. Maybe like a Peloton trade to just practice. I'm definitely. I think I should be done because I'm taking way too many trades right now. And Toss does not like when you take too many trades. All right, SoFi selling off, BBIG sold off, bounce of VWAP maybe. Let's look at Peloton. I just want to try Peloton. Why not? It's been hot since yesterday. I know, Jeff, you brought it up yesterday. 75 shares on Peloton. Look, I'm missing out the 27 break. Probably. Peloton 27 break. There it goes. There it goes. Missed it. Missed that 27 break. It was actually very readable too. Very readable. Whoever took Peloton, congrats. SoFi, look at this, guys. SoFi. Waiting for that 60 on SoFi, and SPY is hitting all-time high. I mean, day high, sorry. So SPY is strong. That's why you see everything is popping. Look, everything is popping. SoFi, RF, Peloton, Tesla. Everything is popping, guys. Everything is popping. So Peloton's halt 28.26. So let's watch for a pullback on Peloton. This is going to give us pullback on Peloton. 2 cent spread. That's not bad. It's very There's a lot of green on Peloton. So now watch 50. I want to see pullback here. Pullback. I'm in at Peloton at 45. It's gonna bounce again, right? Look at this. 44, 41. I'm in at 42. I want to see 50 break. And that's 50 right there. Wow. Peloton is very readable. Very readable. But you know why it's readable? Because it's strong. We got lucky and we got in on that strong push over 50. But that's definitely a level, right? Peloton, look at RF, guys. So SoFi, here's the 60 and pullback that I talked about. So let's get on SoFi. So 68 backs to 60 again on SoFi. SoFi, look for that micro flush to 52 if we're gonna get it. It might not be happening, but it might go without us to 60. There it goes, 59. Are we gonna flush a little here? Flush a little, 20 seconds. Still 1 minute, it's not looking good. Still 35 seconds until 1 minute, and it might go without us because everything is just going, guys. Everything's going. Tesla, BBIG turned around. Good setup there. There you go. SoFi is going without us, guys. Hands off. Hands off. Not too formal. Not too formal. Not too formal. So not too formal, guys. Just keep an eye here. Not too formal. 66. Nice. And that's the volume I was looking for at 10 o'clock today. That's exactly the volume I was looking at 10 o'clock. Well, maybe a little bit better. So what are we doing as far? There's a resistance coming up on BBIG. So I might be late to the party. Let's look at the Peloton here at 2757, 2760. Peloton 2760, guys. Watch for that read. Is it gonna dump? Watch for it to dump here. Just be careful. Okay. 52. There's 1 minute setup coming up. 50. 45. I'm in at 46. There's 39. Is it gonna dump? It's dumping. Okay. Keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on 47.50 break. There's definitely a weaker side here. There's the break. SoFi is the same thing. But watch if it's a pullback. Just watch for this double bottom here. I'm gonna get in at 33. I'm hoping that's like a double bottom on the 1 minute. Just trade that bounce here at 31. See how I got in and got out. SoFi is selling off. BBIG is selling off. So SPY is also going to bounce here. So just watch out. Watch out for bounce here, guys. Because it's a small support on SPY. So 30 is the next break on Peloton. Alright, let's watch here for a pullback on Peloton. Over 30. I'm in. I'm hoping this is going to be a turnaround spot. No, it's not. I'm out. And see, now it's back up. Well, not really. Okay, I'm still watching. Let's watch this area here. It might get us to something. That's the 20. That's 23, 25. So 28. There is 30. That's the pullback I was hoping to see. $33 is a bad entry. Bad entry. I was hoping for 27. Pullback? Give me pullback here. I'm in. I'm in at 34. 29. I'm in here again. I want to see 34, 35 break. Out. I'm in. I want to see that 34, 35 break. So let's see a micro pullback here. I'm in at 28. There's a 31. So 36 is the next high. There it goes. Out. So watch for the pullback. I'm out. I was out 37. I see 42, which is really nice. There's 38, 37, 36. I'm in here at 35. Let's see if we're gonna break that 35 or not. I'm out. Almost thinking about maybe it's better to trade SoFi. So 37. 37 is DEX. So let's watch for the 1 minute setup at 40. It's gonna go without us. Yeah. Pullback. I want to see 40 again, and I want to see 41. There it goes. There it goes. I'm in. Okay, break even. So 50 is the next level. 5 minute setup is coming. 5 minute setup is coming, guys. Watch for micro flush here. I'm in. I'm in. Out. Horrible exit at 53, but it's okay. I'll take it. It's strong. It's gonna go to 65. 60. Okay, 70. Really nice. Watch for a pullback for shorts come in. $55. Nope, missed it. I missed this trade, guys. I missed it. BBIG, it's not bad. Bond just 90,000 shares of out of nowhere. $4.15 on Bond. Bond breaking at 20. So let's watch bond. $19.20 bond. Are we gonna get volume here or no? I don't see volume. Now on the other hand, Peloton is doing its thing. Did you guys see Peloton? 94. Are we gonna get to 28? I'm in. It's strong. I'm in at 95. I want to see that 28. BBIG just popped. Really nice. So 28 break was done. So SoFi as well. So bond is not that good. SoFi. Back to SoFi. Five minutes set up on bond at 55. Pullback, I'm in. I'm in at 49. I want to see 55 break. No. So keep watching this pullback here of 55. So we have 20 seconds. I'm in. I'm in at 52 and I'm out at freaking 47, 48 because the fill did not get right on time. I'm still in. I want to practice 52. I want to practice that break 52, 55. I want to see because there's a 5-minute setups coming. So 52, it's not looking good. It's looking weak. 48, no. Demoralizing. And of course, I'm out at 45 now. We see 51. Back on the ask. This is definitely an interesting. I'm in. I'm in at 53. I'm out. I'm in again. No. I'm definitely over trading right now. I'm in at 48. I'm still liking that pullback and I want to catch that 55 break. But it's definitely weaker right now. It's weak. I'm in. 47 is my average here. Is it gonna sell off? Yeah. It's definitely sell off here. I'm in. Nope. I can't get a hang of this. $46 is the entry. Are we gonna pop over 55? I wanna see it pop over 55. $46 is the entry. Nope, we're selling off. And this is how you give back all your profits for the day. Just over trading the stock. 49. So 49.50 still. I'm trying to get in here. I'm seeing, no, I got in right on the flush. 42. Is it gonna flush? Is it gonna bounce? Nope. So I was up what, 60 bucks on it, and I gave it all back. But it's overall a crappy day because I believed in this stock because it was getting bought up so fast, and that's what I liked about it. It was just getting bought up so fast. I'm in again at 39, 38, 37. Are we going to bounce here at double bottom? That's my hope here. Nope. So my second entry was at 43 and I'm out at 41. You see, so the sign here is it did bounce on double bottom if you look at the 15 second, and it got sold off right away. So that's where I got in. I shouldn't have got in. I should have just sold on that bounce. But I was hoping it's gonna curl back up. And we're back to flat. Wasn't I up like 40 bucks or something? 50. It's draining, and I'm done with my orders, guys. So, you know, I think I'm just getting in a bad habit right now of over trading and giving back 60 bucks on the stock that I tried to, I spent 2 hours trying to make it. Unless I see something strong, I'm not going to touch it right now. So, oh, that's good call, Jeff. SPY is tanking. Yeah, it's still above VWAP though. That's why it was nice. Is it going to bounce here? That 34. Let's see. I'm in at 33. Is SPY tanking bad, or are you gonna bounce a little bit? Nope. And I'm still coming back to it. I mean, I see SPY is doing exactly the same thing that SoFi is doing. So 34. I know we are in a weaker end, but the bounce here could happen, and I want to catch it. I want to get. I mean, I can give back all my profits, obviously, but 34. Look, SoFi is doing exactly what SPY is doing. Down to the candle. So might as well trade SPY, right? Instead of SoFi. So SoFi broke the low again. I mean, the SPY broke the low, so SoFi is probably going to do the same thing. Yep, SoFi is a little more reactive to it. So yeah, that's a perfect example how you can lose all your gains by over trading. Options on what, man? Options, Tesla is dead, no volume there. TWAC. If I do options, that would be Tesla. I got in this rut with SoFi, and that's my problem. I notice it's my problem was the system I trade, right? The strategy I trade. I'm hoping for this pullback and break again, and it doesn't happen, and I continue to get in on it. And instead of waiting for these 1 minute candles, I'm hoping that it's gonna happen within the candle. So sometimes within that 1 minute, I take multiple trades. And if we're in a downtrend like this, it's frustrating. And you saw me give back a decent amount of money. For today's market condition, I feel like that's a decent amount of, and for me, right? And I'm already over trading, you know, like I already have 244 orders. That's insane. And usually that's not a good sign. So are we bouncing over VWAP, or we're just gonna puncture? I'd say we puncture. It's Friday after lunch, but let's watch for that, maybe a burst of momentum push. But I think we already had that burst of momentum from 10:30 or from 11 to now, or from 10:30 to now. We had that burst of momentum. I feel like we're done, but I still have that feeling. I want to try. I want to this flat top breakout, that's 5 minute bounce. I want to see it. I want to see it happening. All right, let's pull back 10 seconds. So there's a 40 seconds until 5 minutes set up. Maybe 5 minutes going to be a little stronger, but my gut feeling says that it might not. So 30 seconds. It's holding this 30, so let's try get in on this 30. It might flush down a little bit. Yeah, it did. So, but I want to get in again. I'm in again at 30. So 8 seconds. Stop is at 28, or this red flush if it's coming. It might come, because obviously depends. Yeah. So definitely not getting a hang of this at all. I'm in at 28. I wanted to get a dip. I wanted to get a 25. So SPY, let's watch SPY if it's gonna break that 445. All right, it's breaking. It's stronger now, but still the volume is low. And there it goes. My 28 entry would have been a 35 here. That's exactly the bounce I was waiting for, but I'm not confident to take it because of so many face slaps. Entry was horrible on bond. Is it gonna go? No. $28 is the entry on bond. I see buying, but it's not moving the ask. I wanted to move the ask. Everything is selling off. Look at that 10-cent spread on bond. What a shitty day. But it's not dates. I blame myself for over trading SoFi. Definitely blame myself for over trading SoFi. I want to see if it's going to go here again. 23 is the entry. It's weak. It's weak. But yeah. So 56, I'm in. I want to see that 30 break. We're gonna get green here. I'm in. 26, I'm out. $26, $28. Let's see what is it gonna be. There's red. There's red. Nobody's buying anything on bond. I'm in. I'm in at 25, 26. There's no buyers. There are no buyers, guys. Everybody's taking a Friday off. I think red is coming. Watch for that red. Red. Dun dun dun. Da dun da da dun. I mean, it's a small red volume, so I feel that any like decent amount of green would push bond up, but I'm in here in SoFi. Okay. Guys, I'm done. I'm flat. I'm done. I know that it might move, but I'm way over trading, you know, and I gave back everything I gained today. And I'm thankful that I'm flat, and I'm not going to overstay my welcome. You know, like Bondman says, don't overstay your welcome, right? So hopefully you guys are better than me and did not overtrade and were a little more disciplined, or a lot more disciplined, and gained a lot more money today. So until Monday, thanks for everybody who listened in, who joined in. Clive, I don't know if you're still listening or if you will rewatch this recap. It was nice to have you, brother. Hopefully you'll come back soon. Thanks, guys. I'll talk to you on Monday. Stay tuned for recaps.